Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys this invisible body hack on Dress to Impress. So we're going to save two outfits with the male body. The first one is the outfit that both the mask and femme body can wear. The second one is put on like an item that only the mask body can wear. That's what's going to make your body invisible. Then I'm just going to kind of go back to using the male body here. Okay, let's do the female body first and then go back to the male one. Then you're just going to jump out of the game. Again, this only works on free play mode, so you're just going to put this on and you're just going to jump out, as you can see. And as you can see, you're wearing the femme body again. So then you're going to use this, just select wear. Once you're done, you're just going to select this again, like the mask one, and then wear. And as you can see, partially your body is missing. I don't know why the top isn't fully working, but yeah, partially your body is missing. But you can kind of try on other outfits. Maybe they can make the whole actual torso disappear. But yeah, that is pretty much it. You can now put on outfits and I guess you'll have no arms. Well, you still need that part though, I guess, for it to work. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.